Welcome to Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today we're going to be making one of the most legendary drinks. We're taking a break from vodka, going straight into American whiskey, the old-fashioned. Don't forget to like and subscribe at the bottom. You never want to miss one of these amazing videos. It's a legendary drink in its own right. Delicious. You get in all those caramel, spicy notes coming through from the bourbon, fresh orange zest, and those bitters just We're going to take our sugar syrup, and we're going to want to put in roughly 15 mils per drink. Straight away, 15 mils of our, it's not simple syrup, it's rich syrup. 2 parts sugar to 1 part water. For those people that say you have to saturate the sugar in some bitters and some water, we've already diluted the sugar in water in the simple syrup. Then we can add our 2 dashes of bitters, we're good to go. What this means is we're gonna speed up the process of creating the drink, and we're not gonna have to actually stir for hours to dissolve this sugar. It's already done, because sugar doesn't really dissolve that well in alcohol, to be honest. Next, we're gonna take our bourbon. This is traditionally made with a bourbon whiskey. Some people will make it with rye, some people will make it with brandy. These days, old fashions can be made with anything. They're great with rum, amazing with tequila, and you'll see that I also make a few with vodka in this channel. But we're gonna use classic American bourbon. We're gonna wanna put in 45 mils per drink, because we are making 2 here, never drink alone. We're gonna actually put in some more bitters, because I only put 2 dashes in, and we are making 2 drinks. Next, we're gonna add some ice. So we're gonna use the fancy big ice today, so I brought my tongs. Ooh. We'll just give this a stir now. And all you really wanna do is stir till it's chilled. Don't worry too much about the dilution. Just get this nice and ice cold, because with an old fashioned, I prefer to serve them a little bit premature. This means as you sip your drink, it's gonna be like a journey. As the ice slowly dilutes the drink, you're gonna get different flavor profiles, and it will mellow out throughout. And you really wanna be spending your time sipping this drink. So gonna take our glass, gonna take our big block ice. Next we'll take our julep strainer and just pour that in over the ice. Nice. Next, we want to add a nice little bit of orange zest to this. You know how much I like a citrus zest. We'll get 2 off. You want some nice big ones so you got plenty of oil. Get all that over the glass, all that over the drink. And there you have it, guys. A classic old fashioned. If you don't know how to make it, start learning, because you're gonna thank us later.